Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a headlight bulb on a Lexus LS460. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new H11 headlight bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Always park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake for your safety before you begin any work. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's get to the headlight. Open your hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see a plastic cover that protects the bulb. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently pry off this cover. It should come off with minimal effort. Once the cover is removed, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press the small tab on the connector and pull it straight off to disconnect it. This gives you clear access to the old bulb. With the connector off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Gently twist the bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and it should slide right out. When handling the new H11 bulb, be very careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands as oils can reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base. Insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs, and then twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. You'll feel a slight click. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Then, replace the headlight assembly cover, pressing it down until it's securely seated. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it's working correctly and providing ample light. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.